Alrighty, guys, we only have 3 more pages left in this book. Let's finish it really quickly. This page shows us a picture of Galileo, and it shows us a timeline. In June 1633, Galileo was sentenced, meaning that's when he was banished or condemned to his home. And Galileo died in 42 or 92? Let's see. 1642. So about 9 years after he was set to be condemned to his home, he died about 9 years later. And then in 1989, Galileo's spacecraft was launched, and in 1992, Galileo was pardoned for his crimes, and I'll talk about that in just a second. So finally, more than 300 years later, the leaders of the very church that had punished Galileo Galilei pardoned him, and they admitted that he was probably, in fact, surely, and absolutely right. So 300 years later, he was forgiven for his crimes because it was found out that he was actually right. So when it says that he was pardoned, yes, he had already passed away. He died already 300 years ago, but he would have still had a record that said that he was a criminal, and so the church pardoned him and said that he no longer had committed the crimes that he had been accused of over 300 years ago. So that is it for the Starry Messenger. I hope that you guys enjoyed reading that book. The rest of the pages are only illustrations and things of Galileo and others, like this person's looking out of their home through a telescope and things like that. So we've already finished. It was a very quick last 3 pages. I want you to answer the final question and then get through the rest of the day's reading lesson. I hope y'all have a great rest of your week. Thank you for watching.